In the next unit, you will learn how to access, refresh, and reset the Tctrl OS status and statistics. First, let's introduce the difference between configuration and status. Configuration, as seen previously, are settings saved in a database that need to be activated to take effect, while status shows live states and statistics from the running system. Most elements in a configuration shows two tabs in the main view, the configuration and the status tab. The configuration tab shows settings of the displayed configuration, while the status tab shows the live state and statistics of the active configuration. For example, let's look at an SS7 MTP2 link status. First, note the hierarchy of the elements on that page. The XTEL MTP2 link status is inside the MTP2 config. You can navigate back to the parent element, here the MTP2 config, simply by clicking on the name. As a hint, you might have already noticed that in our web portal, each time you see an underlined name, you can simply click on it. The next section in the status view provides controls to periodically or manually refresh the status and statistics. With the level drop-down menu, you can also select how verbose you want the states and statistics to be displayed. You can manually reset statistics counters using Reset Status checkbox. In the status view, you will encounter three different types of information: status, state, and statistics. States are mostly used for troubleshooting and allow to perform a management action such as enabling, disabling, rebooting, etc. Contrary to configurations, the states are applied as soon as you click on the Apply State button. This button is shown at the end of the status page and only if there is controllable state on the page. States are also permanent by nature and stays after a restart of the system. When you work with multiple configurations, the status shown are always the one from the active configuration. For example, if you change the displayed configuration to config B, when you click on any status tab of that configuration elements, you will be shown the active configuration status. When you activate config B, the status shown become the ones from config B. Finally, on the left menu, if you click on status menu, you will get a system status dashboard providing an overview of the system. In this section, you will quickly explore the telecom hardware unit status. The first menu in a configuration relates to the telecom hardware that your Tctrl OS is controlling. The hardware unit status tab provides a summary view with base information about your telecom hardware unit. If you click on the serial number, you will get to the status view of this unit.